Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Noah with check engine on the dashboard. This vehicle has a problem. It loses power when you're accelerating. Another problem is check engine on the dashboard. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. So I'm going to scan this vehicle using my DagZone machine here or software so that we identify the main fault code. Let me read. So according to my diagnostic machine, we have P01556, which is brake booster pressure sensor circuit. Then we have battery current sensor circuit, P1550. Then we have battery current sensor circuit, P1551. Then we have P1589 acceleration sensor learning value. So here we are going to deal with the accelerator sensor learning value, then brake booster pressure sensor circuit. Let me start with acceleration sensor, or we normally call it the G sensor. It's usually located under this seat. So have ignition. Let's test for up. So we have, see, it's okay. Signal earth, signal earth. So we have all signals. So let me remove that sensor. This is the G sensor, so I'm going to replace with a new one. This is another one we are going to replace with this. They're exactly so we have already replaced with the new one. This is the brake booster switch. Let me zoom so that you can see that one. So I'm going to test the ignition, earth. Finally, we are going to test the signal, or we normally call it the reference from the ECU. So this is the socket. So to test earth, you need to put your tester on positive terminal like that. Then here, so see, earth, this is the signal. control of voltage or ignition, you need to put tester on negative terminal. So we have ignition, we have earth and reference. So I think those signals are okay. So here the problem is here, see, the pipe is not intact. See, I think we are done with the brake booster. We are done with the accelerator value or G sensor. Now we are going back to the battery sensor. So here we don't have a battery sensor, so we need to buy a new one. Here we are going to clear that fault code from the system. So we are done with these. We are done with these. I think we are done with this P01587. This is the main fault code. So I'm going to clear the fault code from the system. Let me clear the fault code again. So after that we are going to read the fault code from the system. Right now we don't have any fault code from the system. So let me start the vehicle. See, we don't have any check engine on the dashboard. So the next step, we are going to do what we call the accelerator pedal learning. Under special functions, then we have deceleration sensor 0-point calibration, then follow the probe info to readjust deceleration sensor 0-point calibration after replacing related parts. Introduction 0-point calibration of deceleration sensor. Okay, then welcome to deceleration sensor point. Use this function after replacing the transmission or the ECU of transmission related parts. Refer to the repair manual to confirm the more information. Then okay, then we have confirmed the following condition: keep the vehicle level and stable during the calibration, which is okay. Gear selector is on parking. See on the dashboard, it's on parking. Then we have vehicle stopped and the unstable. The engine is off. Right now the engine is running, so you need to put ignition off, then on. The engine is off, ignition is on. It's okay. Press OK. So wait. Deceleration sensor 0-point calibration is complete, just like that. So we need to change accelerator idling position, acceleration learn value, then acceleration, then we have CVT learn status, then we have another one which is G sensor, then G sensor learning value, another one sport selection, no. So under special function, I think we have selected 9, so we need to confirm everything. Under accelerator idle position is on. The accelerator learning value is 19.11. Then we have accelerator position with 1.4. Then CVT learning status is complete. G sensor fierce off. Then we have G sensor full communication status normal. G sensor learning value is 2.5. According to this value, between the standard range, meaning it's okay. So let me start the vehicle. Wow, fantastic. Everything is working perfect. There's no check engine. The acceleration is smooth. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.